Artificial intelligence, AI, and human intelligence are two remarkable forces that have shaped the modern world. They represent distinct yet interconnected realms of intelligence, each with its own strengths and limitations. In this exploration, we'll delve into AI and human intelligence, understanding what sets them apart, and how they complement each other in various aspects of our lives. The essence of human intelligence. Human intelligence is a product of evolution, millions of years in the making. It's the capacity to learn, adapt, and make sense of the world around us. This form of intelligence is deeply rooted in our biology and psychology. Let's look at some of its defining characteristics. 1. Emotion and empathy. Humans have the unique ability to experience emotions and understand the emotions of others. This emotional intelligence allows us to connect on a deep level, fostering social bonds and cooperation. 2. Creativity and imagination. Humans possess a remarkable creative capacity. We can imagine, innovate, and create art, music, literature, and technology that reflect our unique perspectives and ideas. 3. Common sense. Human intelligence is grounded in common sense, enabling us to navigate everyday life, solve complex problems, and make nuanced decisions based on context and experience. 4. Adaptability. Humans are highly adaptable creatures. We can learn from our mistakes, acquire new skills, and change our behavior based on feedback and changing circumstances. 5. Ethical and moral reasoning. We possess a sense of morality and ethics that guides our decision-making. Human intelligence allows us to ponder the consequences of our actions and make moral choices. 6. Intuition. Humans often rely on intuition, a gut feeling, to make quick decisions when faced with uncertainty. This intuition is honed through years of experience and observation. The rise of artificial intelligence. In contrast to human intelligence, artificial intelligence is a product of human ingenuity, emerging as a groundbreaking technological advancement in recent decades. AI refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include problem-solving, decision-making, pattern recognition, language understanding, and even creative endeavors. Let's delve into the defining aspects of AI. 1. Data-driven. AI thrives on data. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions or decisions. The more data AI has access to, the better it can perform. 2. Speed and precision. AI operates at incredible speeds and with pinpoint accuracy. It can process and analyze data much faster and with fewer errors than humans. 3. Scalability. AI systems can scale effortlessly. Once trained, they can handle an increasing volume of tasks without experiencing fatigue or diminishing performance. 4. Lack of emotion. Unlike humans, AI lacks emotional intelligence. It operates solely on data and algorithms, making decisions based on mathematical models without any emotional bias. 5. Repetition and consistency. AI excels at repetitive tasks. It can perform the same task tirelessly without succumbing to boredom or fatigue, ensuring consistent results. 6. Adaptation to data. AI can adapt to new data and update its models accordingly. This adaptability enables it to learn and improve over time. Synergies between AI and human intelligence. While AI and human intelligence possess distinct qualities, they are not mutually exclusive. Instead, they can complement each other in various ways, enhancing human capabilities and addressing complex challenges. 1. Healthcare. AI aids healthcare professionals in diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images, and predicting patient outcomes based on data. Human doctors, in turn, provide empathy, patient care, and ethical decision-making. 2. Education. AI-driven personalized learning platforms adapt to students' individual needs, while teachers provide mentorship, guidance, and emotional support that AI cannot replicate. 3. Business and finance. AI optimizes data analysis for investment decisions, but human financial experts bring critical judgment, market insight, and ethical considerations to the table. 4. Creativity and art. AI can generate music, art, and literature, but human artists provide the emotional depth, cultural context, and originality that resonate with audiences. 5. Customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants handle routine inquiries, but human customer service agents excel in handling complex, emotionally charged issues. 6. Autonomous vehicles. AI powers self-driving cars, while human oversight ensures safety, ethical decision-making, and navigation in unpredictable situations. Challenges and ethical considerations. The integration of AI into various facets of human life raises significant challenges and ethical questions. 1. Job displacement. AI automation could lead to job displacement in some sectors, requiring societies to address workforce retraining and economic stability. 2. Bias and fairness. AI algorithms can inherit biases from training data, perpetuating discrimination. Ensuring fairness and equity in AI systems is a pressing concern. 3. Privacy. AI's data-driven nature raises concerns about the privacy and security of personal information. Striking a balance between utility and safeguarding individual privacy is essential. 4. Ethical decision-making. Teaching AI systems to make ethical choices in complex situations remains a formidable challenge, as they lack human moral reasoning. 5. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.